Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to askNK. So there's always that flashback that you get the first time you began working in games or 3D. Now this is something that the folks at Nvidia would like you to showcase and share with the entire community with their brand new Retroverse contest. Now this contest has already begun from September the 13th and it's continuing to the 26th of October 2021. Now how you can get into this contest is very simple. I'm going to put a link in the description that will bring you right here, where you'll be able to register and join the contest. There's a couple of cool prizes to be won, and it is worth knowing that this contest is partnered with the folks at TurboSquid that is currently owned by Shutterstock, as they're also giving you a couple of pre-made assets that you'll be able to work with. So you can simply pick 3 of these pre-made assets and include them in your scene. But either ways, this makes for a good free asset content pack that you can work with, especially if you've always been looking for something that is very retro-like, or maybe you're looking for retro assets. You will definitely find a whole lot of cool ones with this one. Now the idea here is once you're done designing, modeling, texturing, and also doing some beautiful layouts with the 3D app of choice, you can compose your scene and also do your final rendering directly in Omniverse and then proceed to submit. Now once you're done with that, you can proceed to share on both Twitter and Instagram and tagging the folks at Nvidia and using the hashtag #CreateYourRetroverse. Now this is pretty interesting as there is a whole lot of callbacks for things that you want to see, and of course if you like to get inspired, there are also some very cool inspiring images that you would be able to check out. Now for those who would like to get started with Omniverse, we've already made a video about that and how you can get started with Omniverse Create for Maya users, and of course we're also going to proceed to make one for Blender users. Now for those who also want to take a look at the rules and regulation and also eligibility, there's also going to be a second link in the description that will bring you over to where you can see the terms and conditions for this contest and see some beautiful prizes that you'll be able to win. And for first place, you'll be getting an Nvidia RTX A6000, the second place is a GeForce 3090 RTX, and the third place will be getting a GeForce 3080 RTX. You can see how much these things are valued, and you can save yourself this buck and own these things totally for free. For both announcement, entry period, privacy, taxes, agreement, all of this can be found directly on this page, and of course you can simply come through and read this up for yourself. And that's more like it. For those who would like to check out this ones, probably you want to see some of these beautiful things, and maybe you want to join this contest, or maybe you want to see how you can work with Nvidia Omniverse. Link to this is going to be in the description, so do well to check these things out. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and of course if you like this video or you like something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And if you're new here, it's going to be amazing for you to hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications so that you don't miss the next video or the next update. And I'll see you guys again with a tutorial update, Free Friday, Tutorial Tuesday, tips and tricks, things like this. Peace.